Welcome to my viewers. My channel name is P. Muruganandam. Please subscribe my channel. Then you will get everyday updates, because every day I am releasing new videos regarding printer service, laptop service and desktop service. Also, I have given all kinds of cartridge refilling. Every day I am giving refilling and printer service and technique. So please subscribe my channel. Okay. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to refill HP 854 color ink cartridge. HP 854 color ink cartridge. This is photo quality printer. So for this, your required items are one HP color 854 color cartridge, a small bowl, a cartridge sucker, ink sucker. This is optional. Why I am saying this is optional, I will explain later. And 3 number syringe for 3 colors ink. Actually, this cartridge is having 3 rooms. One room, one color, another room, one color, another room, one color. That is here, this is magenta, cyan, yellow. So that we need 3 colors. Each syringe contains 2.5 ml. This is 2.5 ml syringe. Better to refill color ink cartridges, have only 2.5 ml syringes. That is good for you and your cartridge, because the color cartridge will consume only less amount of ink. If you have 5 ml cartridge or 10 ml cartridge, unknowingly you may inject more ink into that. So if you inject more ink into that, inside the room will get collapse. If ink gets collapsed, you won't get the correct output. That's what I am saying. Buy only 2.5 ml syringe. 2.5 ml syringe. Okay. And one more thing you need, hot water and hot water. Little bit hot. Okay. First, what we are going to do, take the hot water, pour into the bowl. Only small amount, not much. Only small amount. So take the cartridge, keep into the water. But the cartridge head only has to touch the surface of the water. Cartridge head only, surface of the water, should not get immersed. If it gets immersed, it will surround by the circuit. If the circuit got water, means if you fix into the printer, there may be a circuit, so it will get short. Better wipe off the water completely, and using the tissue paper or old cloth, wipe off the water, then only you have to insert into the printer. Or otherwise, better always keep the procedure after refilling, keep the cartridge 5 to 10 minutes like this. 5 to 10 minutes like this, you have to keep the cartridge. Right? So during this 5 to 10 minutes, the outside water will get evaporate, so it will get dry. So if you keep inside your printer, nothing will be happen, right? So take the cartridge, keep inside the water. Why we have to do this hot water treatment for our cartridge? See, if you are a regular user, you need not have such a hot water ink sucker in it, nothing. Regular user means a ink got complete that moment or next day itself. If you are refilling, no need this hot water treatment as well as sucker unit. That too, if you are a regular user, that is well and good. Regular user, every day if you are taking printout, means no issue at all, right? But if you are a rare user, that is, if you used to take 10 days once, 15 days once, after completing, generally if you forget to refill, means that time only you need this hot water treatment. See, when you are not using very long your cartridge, the inside the ink will try to come out of this cartridge head holes. room temperature and room circumstances will allow the ink to get dry. That will fix on the head holes. Fix on the head holes or surrounded by the head holes. So when you try to give the printout, the ink won't come out, so you won't get the printout or letter. This is what happening when you are taking very long. If you are taking the printout, you are not getting printout. See, every day if you are taking the printout means if cartridge will go to and fro, left and right. So there will be inside the printer plastic spare like knife, plastic knife. That's plastic knife wipe off the head. Plastic knife wipe off the head. So always the head will be clean. Always head will be clean. There won't be any dried ink or ink drops. Dried ink or any ink drops. It will wipe. So when you move, a unit come up and wipe the head regularly. Every day when you switch on the printer, this event suddenly will happen. Going the cartridge moving to and fro or left to right. So that time this plastic knife will come up and wipe the cartridge head surface. So if wipe cartridge head surface means that old ink dust will get wipe off. So if you are not using very long, that time only the ink got dry and surrounded by the cartridge head. So which won't allow the. See, when you are not using very long means 2 months or 3 months, that time what you have to do, you have to do both process. That is, you have to keep into the water and take the cartridge, fix into the sucker unit, lock this, and using some syringe, you have to suck the ink. After sucking out, you have to take the cartridge, you have to keep it in the water. So this process you have to do regularly until you get a required output. Okay, let it be. Why we are having hot water? Why we are using hot water? I have explained. Because of cartridge usage. If you are a regular user, you need not have hot water or sucker unit. If you are a regular user, you need not have hot water and sucker unit. If you are not a regular user, you need that time both. Or at least hot water with a bowl. Right, okay. First, take the cartridge, wipe off the water, keep the cartridge like this. Like this means the head should be in your left hand side. Head circuit should be in your left hand side. So, this is the cartridge, you have to keep like this. Head circuit will be in your left hand side, opposite to another side. Okay. In this cartridge, first I am going to take this pink towards my chest. So you have to try here. Like this. One fine time it will go inside. Then inject the ink. Slowly inject the ink. After injecting the ink, see here. Once if you inject the ink, if you see here, if ink comes out, you have to stop. See, ink came out. I have to stop. Then during the injection, if ink comes this area, I have to stop. What it shows? Either ink comes out this area or label side. What it shows? It shows the particular room, that is magenta room got full. So then what you have to do? You have to stop refilling immediately. You should not continue furthermore. Even if you inject only 0.5 ml, which is the ink is coming out in head side or label side, you have to stop. That shows that particular ink got full. That previously there was ink. If you add some more ink, got full immediately. So we have to stop. So now the ink came out, so I am stopping. Okay. So what is the difference between ink comes out this side as well as label side? If ink comes out in head hole side, that shows your cartridge is in good condition. All head holes are under open. That's what the cartridge is allowing ink to come out of this hole. So after refilling, if you keep inside the printer, you will get a quality printout. Right? So if ink comes out this side, it shows your head got clogged. That means your head covered by dried ink. Head holes are covered by dried ink. That's what, after injecting, the ink is not coming out this side. Ink is not coming out this side, which is coming out this side. So that time you need water treatment and sucker unit treatment. Depends on your cartridge refilling intervals. Okay, right. Next, I am going to inject cyan. Okay. So I am going to inject. Simultaneously, I have to see backside. So little bit which is coming out. See here, which is coming out little bit. I stop. Right? Should not inject more. Okay. So that's what I initially itself I said. Just buy only 2.5 ml syringe. That is only the correct ml. Right? You don't buy a 5 ml for color cartridge. Black you can buy a 5 ml or 10 ml syringe. But especially for color cartridge, you should buy only 2.5 ml only, because each room will contain or will consume only 3 ml, at the maximum 3 ml. So we have to try only 2 ml or 2.5 ml, 1 ml or 1.5, 2 ml, 2.5 ml. You should not touch 3 ml. You should not go beyond 2.5 ml. Right? Okay. Then I am going to inject the yellow ink. See, at top I am going to try. One fine time it will go inside. I inject the ink. Okay, little bit coming out. I am stopped. I didn't stop. Right? I am going to keep here. Right? After taking out, I am going to see the footprint of the cartridge. So I am not getting the correct output. I am getting only the partial of the output. So I am not getting the correct output. So what I am going to do? I am going to do water treatment. I am going to keep the cartridge into hot water. I am going to check the pattern. But see, here pink is not coming. Pink, yellow and blue is coming. So what I am going to do? I am going to keep the cartridge inside the sucker in it. I am going to suck out the ink. See, take this and insert into this hole. Then just keep like this. Suck out the ink. Okay, little moment. Otherwise it will suck ink fully. So just suck and release. So see now. See the result. Now also I am getting poor output. So once again I am going to keep into water. Right? Yeah. Now little bit okay. Not that much correct. But it should be, see here, the pink color is I am getting, yellow is perfect, cyan, that is blue color is perfect, the pink color is not coming. So now which is coming, at least some point of view which is coming. Okay, some point of view which is coming. I have to keep once again into the water until I will get a solidness of what the head is having, length and width, head, length and breadth. Same length and breadth I should get that footprint. Also, that footprint should be without any gap. It should be solid. Yeah. See here now I am getting this. See here I am getting this. See, all color I am getting this. See, I'll once again I'll see this footprint. See, I'll keep once again into the water. I'll take one more tissue paper. See, yeah, little bit difference is there. Not that much. Okay, but I have to do several times. So this is the way to refill your cartridge. Even if you are not getting the correct length and width and solidness, you have to keep on try into the hot water treatment as well as ink sucker unit, Generally, you need not have ink sucker unit. At least if you try several times in hot water treatment, surely all head holes will get open. Then finally you will get a complete length of the breadth and length you will get, and as well as solidness. After getting the complete solid and rectangle, keep into the printer, see the printout. If printout is 100% okay, stop. Continue your work. If the printout is 90% okay, not 10%, don't worry. Keep the cartridge, let it be inside the printer. Go to the printer symbol, that printer icon, keep the cursor over there, click right button, go to the printer properties, click the printing preference. There you will be having any one of the option, feature, tools, service, quality, like this, anyone you will have. Click this. There you will be having one drop down arrow. If you click the drop down arrow, you will be having draft, normal, best. In this, click best, click apply and click OK. Give the printout, see the printout. Surely the printout will be a quality one, because the best mode will consume more time. It will print 2 times a line. It will print 2 times a line. So that's what which will consume more time. Normal means normal. Normally that cartridge printer supplier, that is printer manufacturer, what they have given 10 pm, 15 pm, 5 pm, 7 pm, ppm, 7 ppm, 5 ppm, paper per minute. Like number of pages you will get it. But draft means floating matter, that is readable matter. The fast it will print, as well as it won't ink consume more ink. If the cartridge is ready to give 100 pages, means it will give 250 pages. Because this is floating matter, reading matter only. So this is the way to refill the cartridge, right? Okay. Use this method. Apply into your printer. See the printout. If the printout is okay, well and good. Enjoy, right? So if you like this video, like my video, subscribe my channel, share to your friends and relatives and neighbors. Okay. Every day I am giving new videos regarding printer service, laptop service, desktop service. Also, I have given more videos regarding refilling of ink cartridges as well as laser cartridges. So, like, subscribe, share, and give comment. This comment may help me to release new video to satisfy yourself. Thanking you. Have a nice day. We'll see another video with another session. Thank you.